Gates open, that up, and racing. Elgin and Chairman draws for your lead. Running on the outside, Kyrick. Victorian Stones running in between runners by the release. My Ray followed by So Gorgeous. Then comes San Marino. Mike's Dancer is the early trailer. Heading towards the 3/4 mile pole. Elgin in German leading the field by a length. Running in second is Victorian Stones. Running now in third, My Ray Kyrick. Racing in fourth, So Gorgeous. San Marino. And a long way back to Mike's Dancer. Heading towards the last 900, Elgin and Chairman by 3/4 of a length lead. Victorian Stone still in second and moving up by the release, My Ray, and trying to get closer in 40 Kyrick. So Gorgeous heading towards the last 600. We have My Ray takes the lead by the rail. Elgin and Chairman running in between runners and Dory outside, moving up Victorian Stones as they head towards the last 450. My Ray leading the field, running on the outside. Victorian Stones, Elgin and Chairman in between runners as they turn for home. My Ray now leading the field. Victorian Stones is in second, running by the rail. Elgin and Chairman Kyrick with the last 150 more to run. My Ray still leading the field. Elgin and Chairman fighting back by the rail. Victorian Stones with the last 50 meters. My Ray over Elgin and Chairman, and finally My Ray, Elgin and Chairman, Victorian Stones, Kyrick, So Gorgeous. Then comes San Marino and Mike's Dancer.